Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by stabilizing the movement in a holder and removing obstructing parts. Do this now to access the balance. Use anti-magnetic tweezers and a 10x loop so you see pivots and the hairspring collet clearly. Once done, blow away debris and ensure the balance wheel moves freely when nudged. Make sure to note the roller table and cap jewel orientation. This prevents misassembly later. Keep motions slow and deliberate so you never bend the hairspring before you start removing it. Now you remove tension and free the hairspring collet. First, carefully block the balance to prevent rotation and lower the impulse pin pressure so the spring relaxes without kinking. Once relaxed, use a staking knife or fine screwdriver to loosen the stud screw or unclip the stud. Work at a low angle to avoid catching the spring. Support the balance staff with a brass pusher while you maneuver. This stabilizes pivots. Make sure to lift the collet straight off the staff to prevent scoring or bending. Finally, extract the hairspring by pulling the collet cleanly off the staff while guiding coils with pegwood so they do not snag. Once out, inspect the spring for flatness, any bends, and the stud hole for burrs. Correcting minor issues now saves adjustment later. Reassemble in reverse, ensuring regulator pins and roller align. If the spring catches at any point, stop immediately. Realign the collet and lift again rather than forcing. This troubleshooting tip prevents permanent distortion of the hairspring.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.